All right, you're gonna need brown sugar, granulated sugar, 2 eggs, sea salt, 1 cup of butter, vanilla extract, baking soda, baking powder, all-purpose flour, and some chocolate chips. I'm using 2 cups of chocolate chips. I want this. All right, dry ingredients: 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. These are your dry ingredients. Set this aside. We are going to work on our wet ingredients first. All right, 1 cup of salted butter, which should be about 2 sticks. I'm using salted butter. That goes into your mixing bowl. Those are our first ingredients to start. Granulated sugar, 1 cup. Brown sugar, 1 cup. Get the mixer in there. I'm beating it at speed of 2, just kind of mixing it up. So we're working on wet ingredients here, folks. The dry ingredients will come at the very end. Beat this about a minute. All right. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And we're gonna slot in our 2 eggs. Make sure you don't get the shells in there. Mix this thoroughly, about another minute or so. And then we're slowly gonna incorporate our dry ingredients, which is the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and the sea salt. Slowly incorporate that in. That should do it. And then comes our chocolate chips. I think I'm gonna take it out and work on it with by hand on this one. The consistency should be a little firm, thoroughly mixed, and we're just gonna incorporate our chocolate chips in there and then portion it out. Yeah, at this point, I would have had the oven preheated to 375 degrees. So I'll just add in my chocolate chips. The oven is preheated 375. Try mix this guy. Ugh. This is not working very well. I need a stronger. Yeah. No. Damn. Okay. Let's get another one. Kitchen bloopers. Hope this one is stronger. Seems stronger. Alright, mix this in. Make sure the chocolate chips are all thoroughly incorporated into the dough. That should do it. All right, get your baking sheets together. I am gonna put some parchment paper down. Remember, the oven has been preheated to 375. Parchment paper, and we're gonna portion out the cookies. You want to get as even as possible so they cook all right. You know, you want to get the even sizes so they cook evenly. That's what I'm trying to say. Um, yeah, make them rustic. Give them room to flatten out when they bake. The bigger the dough, of course, the bigger the room you're gonna need. That should do it. In the oven they go. So 375, it'll be about 13 to 15 minutes. Keep checking depending on your oven, but I'll keep checking. Make sure you don't over brown them. When they start browning on the sides, then they are probably done. Oh wow, this place smells wonderful. These are done. Make sure you let them sit and cool for at least 5 minutes before you take them out. Oh, this looks wonderful. Smells beautiful up in here. And there are my chocolate chip cookies. Gonna get me a glass of milk and I am gonna enjoy. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Like, share, subscribe. Chocolate chip cookies, my way.